Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't lock. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My phone won't stay locked after I press the lock button. I've turned off features like Face ID and trusted locations. After locking the screen, I put the phone on the ground or in my pocket, and the screen automatically unlocks again. Can anyone tell me how to fix Android phone screen not locking? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know if your Android phone won't lock screen, don't panic. To save you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Button issue. The solution is to check the lock button. When the button itself is loose, stiff, or has other issues, it can easily lead you to believe that your Android phone doesn't lock. When you press the lock screen button, your phone is usually locked by default. However, if the button malfunctions, pressing it may not lock the Android phone. Therefore, please check if the lock screen button is working properly. Cause 2. Temporary malfunction. The solution is to restart your device. Regardless of the problem, you can try restarting your device. Restarting your device disconnects all connections and restarts the device, bringing your Android device to its optimal state. Therefore, you can try restarting your Android device to fix the Android phone screen won't lock problem. Please follow these steps to restart your device. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. Alternatively, you can find the power off icon or button on the restart screen, turn off your Android phone, wait about 1 minute, and then turn it on again. If the Android phone is not locking, problem is caused by a temporary malfunction, restarting the phone will solve the issue. Cause 3. Power button lock on feature disabled. The solution is to ensure that power button lock on is enabled. Android phones allow you to configure whether pressing the power button locks the screen. If the power button lock feature is not enabled, you will encounter the Android phone can't lock problem. This issue is easy to resolve. Simply follow these steps. Open your phone's settings, then find and select the lock screen option. On the new screen, select the Secure Lock Settings option. You may be prompted to enter a pattern lock or passcode. Follow the on-screen instructions. Finally, check if the power button lock switch is enabled. If it's not enabled, enable it to fix the unable to lock an Android phone screen issue. Cause 4. Extend unlock feature impact. The solution is to ensure that the extend unlock feature does not affect the phone. The extend unlock feature on Android devices can also affect the Android phone's lock screen functionality. If you have on-body detection, trusted places, or trusted devices enabled, and one of these conditions is met, you may also experience the Android phone doesn't lock automatically problem. To troubleshoot this issue, try locking the screen again when none of these conditions are met. You can also try disabling these features and then testing if the Android phone doesn't lock with side button, problem disappears. Cause 5. Affected by a certain application. The solution is to test in safe mode. If you have downloaded third-party lock screen software, this software may conflict with the device's built-in lock screen program, causing the lock button to not work on your Android phone. To check if a third-party application is causing this, please test your Android phone in safe mode. In safe mode, Android devices do not run any third-party applications, making safe mode the best way to detect third-party application issues. Please follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the restart button image appears. Press and hold the restart icon again. The safe mode icon will appear. Tap the safe mode icon, and your phone will automatically enter safe mode. In safe mode, check if the Android phone screen won't auto-lock problem persists. If the problem disappears, it indicates that a third-party application is causing the issue. You need to find the problematic application and uninstall it. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone screen lock is not working, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.